First, connect an external memory stick to the USB port of the oven. Press the On button to access the home screen. Now press the menu button 5 times to access the service section. It will only be necessary to press the menu button 4 times in STC ovens without the washing option. Navigate with the up and down buttons, and select the USB option with the select button. How to export HACCP data. From the USB menu, select Export Log HACCP. Now press the menu button to start the export. We wait for the export to be completed. Once the export has finished, we will have to insert the USB memory in another device to be able to visualize the data. They will be available in Excel format and sorted by date. How to import pictures. Before importing the pictures, we must create a folder on the external USB memory stick called JPG. In the folder we will insert the images, which cannot be larger than 300 by 160 pixels and weigh no more than 64 kilobytes. In the USB menu, select the Import Pictures option. Confirm with the menu button. We wait until the image import is complete. How to import or export recipes. In the USB menu, select the option to import or export recipes. Confirm with the menu button. We wait until the process of importing or exporting prescriptions has been completed.